Well, my name is Ahmed Al Ghazali, and IT, as far as IT background, I've got like 13 years of experience in IT infrastructure, working with different vendors, different vendor products like Microsoft, VMware, and Exchange. I've done my MBA. I pursued my MBA from England, okay, in international business. As far as in IT side, I've done like 13 certifications. It is up to date with Microsoft, Citrix, VMware, these sort of certifications that I've done with different vendors. I found out about NetSoft through LinkedIn. Basically, I was looking through the LinkedIn at different people who were there, and I saw that they studied from NetSoft, and they were in a very high and a very good position in IT profession. The quality of the courses is beyond explaining it, but in short term, I can say it is remarkable. The standard of the quality of the courses are extremely unbelievable. That what I got it from my previous institutes, it is beyond my expectations, and it is one of the best courses I've ever had. It is entirely different, because over here in NetSoft I see a lot of commitment, lot of knowledge, passionism and enthusiasm, not even from the instructors, even from the management and the staff as well, that they're passionate about people and the students to have a career in the IT profession. For this question, I can give an example, a little bit of example, that most of the institutes where I've studied as well, and when they say 40 hours, it's 40 hours, they finish their course, and they don't even care that people are come or don't come. But in NetSoft, usually it's not 40 hours, even if it's written 80 hours, they go beyond it, that even each and every student should understand each and every topic of it, okay? So that's why it is so much different from other institutes, so much commitment, so much knowledge. Well, basically it is both. It is intensive as well, and it's in comprehensive as well. Because in intensive in terms of it has like labs, a lot of hands-on labs, a lot of studies, a lot of things to go on, and in comprehensive is that it has the complete information about the course, what they are teaching about it, and they don't leave it, and they keep just track about it. Instructors over here give like different kind of challenges in different kind of scenarios, and ask them to complete either in the group studies, in the group sections, and make different groups, and even they do like the scenarios testing as well with the different groups. Pros is that by joining NetSoft, definitely, I'm saying 3 times, that you're gonna get a good career in IT side, because all the courses which has been taught in NetSoft are up to date, which is an industry standard, which is required by the market, by the companies. And the cons are there, that if you're not hardworking, then definitely you won't be able to cope up with the NetSoft education. Before I joined the NetSoft, I also met some alumni as well, and after over here as well, during my course, about 10-12 months course over here, I also met about like hundreds of alumni, which have a lot of success stories, where they started and where they are on right now. I can say about like 30 to 35 hours I spend on assignments and labs, and in scenarios as well. In NetSoft, there is a very wonderful course called Hire Me. Okay, it's about for like 30 to 45 days, which helps you out in creating your resume, interview preparation. Not even that. It also gives you like a training about your soft skills, which is very necessary in this market. Like a lot of studies, a lot of certifications, a lot of IT courses, but beyond it, I learned how to make a team, how to work with a team, how to cope up with the instructors, how to get into the troubleshooting skills, okay, and most of it, how to do communication with other people with different communities. My favorite course, I can say it's all the courses are one of the favorite course because it gives me more and more like interesting with the in-depth knowledge with the instructors and their commitment. But one of my best courses, if you ask me, is SCCM, because it's a cloud infrastructure basically, and it is one of the best courses and its requirement in the market. I'm gonna recommend NetSoft because I've been here since like 8 to 10 months, and I've seen a lot of changes in myself, not even only studies, on the professional side as well, on the communication side as well, and this is also a transition period for me, and definitely I've changed a lot because of NetSoft. I have a message for people who are looking to join NetSoft to be committed. When you join NetSoft, okay, and make sure that you put your all hard works, live above the lines, keep yourself motivated, okay, and keep looking for it for the higher studies what NetSoft is giving to you.